video, I will show you how to enable cookies in Chrome browser. Here I am using PC. If you want to do this on mobile, you can check a link in the description and follow it. For this, you need to open Chrome browser. After opening it, you will see a three-dot option at the right top corner. Click on it. Then scroll down and click on Settings. Here you will see many options. You need to click on Privacy and Security tab. Scroll down a bit and you will find third-party cookies option. Just click on it. Here you will see multiple options to enable different type of cookies. You can choose according to your needs. If you want to allow all the cookies, simply click on Allow third-party cookies and save it. I recommend that before enabling any option, click on the arrow here and read its description carefully.